When a child gets diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder or any other learning difficulty, the biggest question that comes to a parent's mind is, will my child ever be able to lead an independent life? As parent of a child on autism spectrum and with e-learning expertise of more than 20 years, we have come up with a framework which is step by step, easy to use, and which helped our child in attaining independence in terms of daily living activities, and which can help your child as well in leading an independent life by performing the activities of daily living with confidence. In this module, the child will slowly and gradually get introduced to the activities and objects of daily living. Objects such as food items, all kind of hygiene related items, play and toy related things, study and stationery related things, and different type of clothings. The child will not only recognize these objects and activities by their name, but will also understand the purpose and use of these activities and use of these objects. The child will learn all these concepts through interesting, fun, and engaging activities, along with 150 plus flashcards and printable worksheets with which you can make your child practice through pencils or crayons or whichever medium your child is comfortable with. This module comes with a step-by-step pathway of learning by following which you will ensure that you derive the maximum value out of this module. So if you think that your child needs to learn about the activities and objects of daily living to gain confidence in performing the activities of daily life on his own independently, then you should click on the link below and get this module for yourself and your child. Good luck. I'll see you inside the course.